GBSB Global Business School has held its Career Fair 2020. Our on-campus fair is designed to help current students and recent alumni start their professional journey with an internship or find a full-time job opportunity in their desired industry. This year, both our Barcelona and Madrid students got a chance to meet company representatives from a variety of business backgrounds and industries. From fashion and marketing to digital finance and e-commerce to sports management, companies like Vice, Keenfolk, Mr. Fly, and Talent Search People participated in GBSB Global's Career Fair 2020. Along with them came representatives from JobTeaser, a global job searching platform, and Hosco, a leader in hospitality industry. As part of the event, GBSB Global students had a unique opportunity to attend business lectures. Javi Bove, Mustafa Toga, and Isabel Marant were among some of the invited guest speakers who gave our students career advice and provided them with tools necessary to successfully navigate the job searching market and avoid career pitfalls. We hope GBSB Global students could use this chance to grow their professional network, get to know more about the nature of business, and find employment opportunities in their desired industry. Happy networking and hope to see you next year.